Transportation is a necessary expense for most of us. Whether it's getting to work or running errands, we all need a way to get around. But the cost of transportation can add up quickly, especially if you're driving a car. In this video, we're going to show you some tips and tricks on how to save money on transportation costs. One of the easiest ways to save money on transportation is to use public transportation. Buses, trains, and subways are all great options. Not only do they cost less than driving a car, but they also help reduce your carbon footprint. But what if you live in an area without public transportation? Carpooling is another great option. You can split the cost of gas and other expenses with your coworkers or neighbors who have similar commutes. Not only does carpooling save you money, but it also reduces traffic congestion and air pollution. Another option is to bike or walk to your destination. This is not only a great way to save money, but it's also good for your health. If you live close enough to work or school, consider ditching your car altogether and investing in a bike. It may take a little longer to get to your destination, but it's worth it for the money and health benefits. If you do need to drive, there are still ways to save money. The first tip is to keep your car in good condition. Regular maintenance, such as oil changes and tire rotations, can help improve your car's fuel efficiency. This means you'll be spending less money on gas in the long run. Another tip is to drive smart. This means avoiding sudden stops and starts and driving at a steady speed. Rapid acceleration and braking can decrease your car's fuel efficiency, which means you'll be spending more money on gas. Try to maintain a consistent speed and use cruise control whenever possible. Gas rewards cards can also help you save money on gas. Many gas stations offer rewards programs that give you cashback or discounts on gas. If you're someone who frequently drives, this can be a great way to save money over time. If you don't need a car on a regular basis, consider using a car-sharing app. Apps like Zipcar and Turo allow you to rent a car for a short period of time, which means you only pay for what you use. This can be a great option if you only need a car for a few hours or days. Finally, ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft can also help you save money on transportation costs. If you're traveling a short distance or don't want to pay for parking, ride-sharing can be a great option. Just make sure to compare prices between different apps to get the best deal. Whether you're using public transportation, carpooling, biking, or driving, there are always ways to spend less. By using these tips and tricks, you can save a significant amount of money on transportation costs. And to learn more wealthy habits, watch this video next.